My name is Viharaa Jayasinghe, and in this video I'll be discussing the question set 13 of DBMS. Question set is interconnected with the last two question sets as well. I'm using the same scenario that I have used for the question set 11 and the same ER diagram as well. So, yes. The first question is the store owner says that the details of all products sold in this store need to be stored in the computer software. To do this, create a table called product to store the product details. Follow the instructions below to create a table. So we have to create a separate table for the products, and we should create a product table. So I'll be using Workbench. Once again, as my diagram is in Workbench, as you know. So here we are in the Workbench interface, and it's the same diagram, next underscore mobile underscore DB. So let's create our product table. Sorry. So as you can see, we need three columns. Then that would be our product table. The next question is the owner of the shop says that he wants to enter the information of all the bills paid by the suppliers into the computer software. To do this, create a table called, name grn. Follow the instruction below to given. Follow the instruction given when creating. So grn is the table which we use to store the supplier's name and the respective product of the supplier with the price. So we can prove the quantity of products that we have received from the supplier. So that's that. So let's create our grn table. grn table. It should be a primary key and not a recurrent. Next one is date with the data type date, quantity qty, and the data type is int. It's like dot decimal numbers. And next one is total amount. Then lastly, the total amount, it should be also double, and that would be our grn table. Next one is the third question. This software should be able to retrieve the number of items received from the suppliers, and the number of items provided by the suppliers should not be changed when selling the product. Your team suggests creating a separate stock table for this issue. Follow the instructions below to create a stock table. So in terms of the shopkeeper, we cannot use the grn table for the same purpose when reselling. Yes, as when we resell our product which we bought from the supplier, the quantity of the products decrease, so we cannot decrease the number of quantities of the product from the grn table. That's why we create a separate table called stock, so we can reduce the number of quantities. That's now we'll create our stock table. So we give the name stock, and the first column is stock ID, and the data type is int as always, and the next column is quantity. The data type is same once again, and next one is selling. The data type should be double. And the first column should be auto increment. So that would be our stock table, and as well as that would be the end of the discussion of questions at 13 as well. And thank you.